A very good morning, everyone. My name is Monalisa Mandal, and today we're going to explore a truly inspiring real life story titled Ada's Violin, the incredible story of the recycled orchestra. This presentation will take you on a journey of creativity, resilience, and the magical power of music. We will see how a young girl and a community transform challenges into extraordinary opportunities. Let's move on to the first slide. Let's begin by understanding this setting. Ada Rios grew up in Ketura, a small, extremely poor town in Prague. The community lived right next to a giant landfill. Many families survived by sorting through heaps of garbage every single day. Imagine growing up in a place where the air smells of decay and your entire environment is surrounded by waste. In such a place, dreaming big can feel impossible. But even here, something extraordinary was waiting to unfold. Let's move on to the next slide. Despite her surroundings, Ada had a deep love for music. She dreamt of playing the violin someday. Music ran in her family, her grandmother sang beautifully, and her father told stories of famous musicians. But Ada's family could not afford a real violin. So here's the question. What would you do if you loved music deeply but had no instrument to play? So, this is where the visionary Fabio Chavez enters the story. He first arrived in Ketura as an environmental engineer to manage waste, but soon he noticed something bigger, a lack of opportunities and hope among the children. Inspired by the local people creativity, he had a brilliant idea. He began making musical instruments from recycled trash, violins from baking sheets, cellos from oil drums, flutes from water pipes. His proposal was simple but powerful. Teach the children music using instruments made from the very garbage that surrounded them. Let's move on to the next slide. Soon, the children, including Ada, started learning with full dedication. Practicing in heat, long hours, and with very few resources, the children never gave up. Ada's talent and hard work helped her earn the role of first violinist. She became a leader, inspiring others with her passion and skill. And despite the humble beginnings, the orchestra mastered complex music by Beethoven, Bach, and Mozart. The message was clear: talent knows no boundaries. I repeat once again, talent knows no boundaries. The recycled orchestra didn't just stay in Ketura. The talent reached the world. They traveled internationally, performing for thousands of people, even for Pope Francis. With each performance, they also raised funds to improve conditions in their community. The concerts not only showcased music, they brought hope. Let's move on to the next slide. So, there are three powerful lessons we learn from Ada's story. Number one, transforming adversity. That is, even the biggest challenges can become opportunities for growth. Number two, innovation through recycling. That is, creative use of recycled materials can change lives. Number three, the power of music. That is, music teaches discipline, builds teamwork, and brings pride and joy. So, now it's your turn to think like Ada and her orchestra. Number one, creative recycling. So, what useful item can you create from everyday waste? Number two, community solutions, which includes identify a challenge in your community. How can you creatively solve it? Number three, share your dreams. That is, what big dreams do you want to pursue no matter the obstacles? Let's honor Ada's legacy by dreaming boldly and creating fearlessly. So thank you for taking this inspiring journey with Ada and the Recycled Orchestra. May her story remind you that beauty and possibility can be found even in the most unexpected places. And every challenge is a symphony waiting to be composed. I repeat, may her story remind you that beauty and possibility can be found even in the most unexpected places. Every challenge is a symphony waiting to be composed. Thank you so much, everyone.